yet. Old, you will die. I did Robert's suit, and it turned out so beautiful. I had to continue.
It's great to see you, but I gotta tell you, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Yes, words are useless. Come. Too much of it, darling, too much. That is why I show you my work. That is why you are here. Edna mode. And guess.
What's up, beautiful, crazy geek friends? Saturday, and oh my god, Incredibles 2 is coming out this weekend. I have to do Edna. Like, y'all gotta do it with me. Do it with me. Let's do Edna. Transformation time. So, you're gonna start by prepping and priming your face. You know how to prep and prime. You know, press, powder, foundation, all that goodness. We're gonna move on. Eyebrows are a thing, but we have a wig information in the description box below. We're just gonna cover that wig with our brow puff, and then we're gonna move on to our nose. Edna has a very interesting nose, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna contour our nose to make it look a little bit fuller. You know how you do a small contour? We're just going to let go around the edges of our noses. And then with a little shiny piece, we're gonna like bop the front of our nose to make it like a little bit brighter. Also, Edna has like super huge nostrils, so we're gonna elongate our nostrils by adding some black into there. You see that? Glasses make it perfect. Once you've lined your eyes in basic line, you're gonna move on to your lips with some brown or nude lip, depending on your skin tone. You're gonna outline the outer lining, yep, that's the word, of your lips. You're gonna make the top part look a little bit like a heart, and then your bottom part you're just gonna leave open for the protruding fullness of your lips. What this does is it makes your lips really small and cutesy, but at the same time, nice and cutesy and full. I said cutesy twice. Whatever. Taking a lighter shade of nude, you're then gonna fill in that middle part. And we're gonna make it look all nice and fancy. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all, I'm weird. Then we're gonna take our brown lip. Again, we're just gonna go over the parts that we kind of messed up on, just to make it look nice and fuller. And there you have it, a quick, simple, fun Edna look. Guys, I dare y'all to go to the movie theaters with this. I dare you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I make new videos. At times, things are changing, y'all, but you know what? Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. Like, guys, we are almost at 100 subscribers. I am super excited, and I'm super excited that you guys are on this journey with me of being a crazy, chic, weird geek. Anyway, I'll catch you beautiful crazies in the next video, so peace, love, and happiness. Bye-bye!